Ramp Bill Pay now imports bills directly from your accounting system, so you can keep creating bills exactly as you do today while unlocking more ways to pay and greater efficiency. Here, we're looking at our open bills in our accounting system. These are bills that have already been created and approved. In Ramp, we can enable bill importing, and these bills will automatically sync into Ramp. No manual uploads or extra steps needed. Imported bills land in the For Payment tab, ready to be scheduled. And as new bills are created, we'll automatically bring them in too, so nothing gets missed. Imported bills include all key details like vendor, amount, and invoice number. You can also easily navigate to your accounting system to reference the original bill. With Ramp, you have multiple ways to pay: ACH, check, wire, or card. Ramp even flags opportunities to pay by card, helping you maximize cash back whenever possible. Now, let's prepare our payment. We can bulk select and see that Ramp has batch payments going to the same vendor. We're also able to schedule when we want our payments to go out. Let's schedule these payments for today. And just like that, all of our imported bills are set for payment. Once bills are paid in Ramp, they're automatically updated in your accounting system, keeping everything in sync without extra work. Whether you need a complete accounts payable solution or just a better way to pay, Ramp gives you the flexibility to manage payments more efficiently.